I got my Acopower 193 watt hour battery back from the folks in California, I think. My fridge wasn't turning on with the battery in it, but it would run with the battery and solar or DC. So they said, send us the battery. Maybe it's a battery problem. I said, okay. Well, then they sent it back to me. I'm not even sure if it's the same battery, but they didn't give any explanation or tell me if they found anything wrong. So the battery is on. So now I should be able to start the fridge. Okay. It does work. I guess we'll see how long it runs. I think these things have a few bugs to work out, like these doors are kind of flimsy and hard to latch and unlatch sometimes, but it did just start. Lights on, of course. Well, we'll see. Maybe I'll put some drinks in it today and see if we have continued success. Thanks for watching.